because you don't have any rockers. So you get direct acting shock absorber and spring from the wheel, but inboard for aero and other reasons. And then we have our super lightweight, wide and long wishbones. The length means we get less track width deviation when bumping, and we're getting our camber gain as we should. So you get a better contact patch and better stability and better power to the ground than you otherwise could. Combined with our needle bearings mount inside the wishbones to the chassis, you get the lowest possible friction. To our surprise, when we tried this many years ago, and first on the Agera, it feels like a rubber mounted suspension to a large degree, but it's solid, so you get the control, but you also get the comfort, which is very surprising.
So I'll be trying that in a bit when we go out on the airfield, and I have a jolly good go in the car.
You've got adaptive dampers,
Yes, we have created our own active lifting system. Each corner is individually controlled, so we can make the car do anything really, lean or whatever we want to do, but we don't use that much. It's more to change the rake at speed and ride height at speed, and for different modes.
This is super important because changing the ride height of a car massively affects how stable it is at high speed. And this car is capable of some very high speeds indeed, and I'll experience that for myself later. The CC850 also has active shock absorbers, which use 2 computers each to separately adjust the bump and rebound damping thousands of times per second. You could in theory customise these settings yourself, a bit like in a 911 GT3 RS, but Christian explained why this sometimes isn't a good idea.
We could also have it like an equalizer menu where you play around if you would like to, but we don't offer that because we want to have this sort of preset good modes. You can screw it up quite easily otherwise.
One last thing, this is a damper, isn't it?
It is a damper as well. That's what we call our triplex suspension, and it's something we came up with when we started going up over 1,000 horsepower. When you launch the car with this much power with rear-wheel drive, it really sits down, and many cars therefore have anti-squat geometry.